Good morning, Winchester. Good morning. Welcome back to episode 5 of Lot Talk. I'm your host, Troy. I got my main man, Tyler, back. He was gone a couple episodes ago
Right.
off that Michigan State L.
Oh man.
I'm
Heartbreak.
sorry, man. I just had to get that in there. I tell you what it has done for me this morning is to help break the ice real
Yeah.
quick, man. I feel so much more comfortable in front of the camera today. Yeah. So, guys, you see whole new backdrop. New Charlene's back. We put Charlene in her new home, a new planner. But we're gonna pivot. We're gonna pivot a little bit. Lot talk. We're gonna pivot a little bit. Um, it's this right here. When we started this, we didn't realize um, the amount of work it was going to take to put into this platform here, in addition to what our main jobs are here, to make sure that this content is relevant, is not boring, and that you guys would want to spend 10 minutes of your time with us. Um, Unfortunately, I'm sad, but it's happy. It's a good thing. Tyler's gonna break away from the show for the next. What did we say we was gonna do? 52 episodes
Yeah.
for the next 46 episodes. I'm not gonna say all 46 because he's gonna dart in from time to
Absolutely.
time to help us. But like we covered in episode 1, Tyler's about to get ready to be a new daddy. And when I say new daddy,
Yeah.
baby girl, his first kid. So us vets out there, I got a 4 pack. All right, so so us vets
Yeah.
out there, uh, you second kid, whatever. But the first kid is important. First, well, all of the kids are important,
Yeah.
but the first kid, it comes with its challenges. Being the new guy, Tyler's here, family back in Illinois, and all of that. So he's gonna be on an island with the baby girl all to himself. Well, his wife as well, and of course the support. Uncle Troy's always gonna be there. You know what I mean? And the support of our whole dealership and all that good stuff. So um, moving forward, it's going to be me, I guess. Big L's going to keep on rocking with us. But we just wanted to just tell you guys about the changes, so it won't be any surprises next week when you don't see Tyler there again. Tyler's still going to be one of our high level salespeople around the dealership, so you can still call, come in, ask for him. Please, like I said, he's got a new baby girl coming, so he's going to need to make some money here.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, um,
You guys will see me again. Absolutely. I'll be popping my head in a couple times. So
yeah, as you know, we're using walk arounds, different things like that, and then also maybe to introduce his new family to Light Talk. So,
absolutely.
again, next week is just gonna be me, which is still gonna be a treat for y'all. So don't get yourself all in your feelings. It's still gonna be a great show. Um, House cleaning. House cleaning. I have not seen any texts come through and apply entry level texts. I have a few salespeople. We got a new salesperson that just started at the top of the week. His name is Thomas Shea. We're going to get him going and then we'll get him introduced. Let me get him trained up in all of the different things and then I'll get him introduced. But we did add a new member on our sales team. But listen, I got something big underneath my hat that I can't let out. Tyler Buzz knows what's going on. So to be a service technician here in the future is going to be a treat. And the time will come when I will share to you what our future plans are around the dealership, specifically regarding our service department. So again, techs, come on in, guys. Come on in. Like I said, no tools. Uh, Tools are a plus, but if you don't have some, we got some here. We just need to get some guys in here. Again, as this thing transitions from gas to electric, which Ryan shared with you on episode 2, now is the time to be a tech. It's going to be some serious money involved with being a tech in the future. Um, Also coming up, we got the dance party.
Get a little groovy.
Man, I've been known to shake a little something every now and then. I got this bad hip down, so you know me. I gotta be careful how I shake it. But anyway, May 4th, Ultimate Dance Party, sponsored by CMA, Honda, Winchester. Well, excuse me, I'm not gonna take credit for it. CMA organization, because we have Subaru, Hyundai up in Martinsburg. We got Jeep, Chrysler, Dodge. Toyota and Chevy. So it's five of us. Hyundai down the street. There's five of us putting this thing together here. So and I tell you what, I'll throw two free tickets to somebody who said that I would offer two free tickets by you watching Lot Talk. Y'all come on by the dealership. I'll give you the free tickets. Get a little photo op in front of in the studio here, and then we hope to see you out there on May 4th having a good time at the Ultimate Dance Party again, sponsored by CMA organization. Um, Also, philanthropy. We have our philanthropy mission coming up. We just came off of our school drive, which was super successful, man.
Yeah, it was.
Me and JP took the supplies over to Charlotte D. Hart, Virginia Avenue Elementary School, man, and they were super grateful for the results that we were able to turn out. And again, community, we thank you because you guys really pitched in and did a lot to help us make this thing or make our dealership look good. Um, but next, we're gonna jump into can drive. I can't remember, and I do apologize with our slogan campaign, but I'll have all of that next week for you. We're going to partner with some of our local food drives, seat caps, some different churches and different things to get some food out into our community. So next week, stay tuned for information on food drive. All right.
Absolutely. Man, one thing I think we should talk about is our inventory level here at CMA Honda Winchester. How about Troy? You give them the Winchester, the skinny on what's going on with our inventory.
Inventory,
Yeah.
man. You know what? That's a fantastic question. Um, these last few years has just been a crazy way to buy cars. But
Mm-hmm.
just to keep it nice and short and sweet for you, right now, currently, it's been the first time in a couple of years that I can say that I've got one of every model here on the lot.
On the
Okay.
lot.
On the lot, ready to be purchased.
Yep.
You don't have to wait. Come on down. Let's make a deal. We're doing $500 off on all gas and hybrid Accords through the end of the month. All right. So come on out, take advantage of those savings. Um, Ordered 92 cars on Tuesday. Got 65 in transit. Already had a gang of cars on order before I placed the order for 92 on Tuesday, man. So we're gonna be sold up clean into the summer, and then I'll order cars every month, so on. So our objective with Honda, which is the amount of cars they tell us that we need to sell, keeps going up. So if that's going up, man, it's good things happening here. CMA Honda Winchester. So don't let inventory stop you from being a reason that you come on out here. Okay. So yeah, we got inventory good.
Absolutely.
Thanks for bringing that in.
Yeah.
Thanks for bringing that in.
Yeah, I'll
You know
bring
what
up
I mean?
another question as well.
Yeah.
I know you guys, as managers, are got a little book club going here, and I
Yeah.
always see this 5 a.m. club book here.
Yeah.
So why don't you tell us a little bit about that?
Well, I tell you what, man, it's time to talk about this. Episode one, we introduced, we do a book club amongst the managers, just making sure that the leaders around here continue to grow. This 5 a.m. club, man, I tell you, it was probably one of the best books that I've read to date in Troy Jackson's life. Uh, Let me just give you a brief synopsis of it for the people who haven't had a chance to read it yet. I don't want to ruin it for you. Um, but this just talks about a routine in the morning of waking up at 5 a.m. 5 a.m. Is the sun's still down, so they say that hour between 5 and 6 is the golden hour, where if by adapting a small morning routine, you can absolutely change your life, man. And it talks about how 66 days of doing something routinely can break old habits and actually form new ones, right? So during this magic hour, it's not just getting up at 5. That's probably the small part of it. Um, but I wrote some notes down, man, because this book is so complex. I could talk for hours, man. But it talks about making small changes daily and compounding those changes daily, right? Small changes compounded
Yeah.
daily can transform your life, man. Just being 1% better than I was yesterday. And just imagine if you did that over a 30-day period, then yes, you're 30% better of a
Yeah.
human being than you was before you started the episode. I mean, uh, started whatever you were trying to tackle in your life. And you know, some of us, man, get caught up in just this routine, and then you don't realize that you've lived the same week 1,000 times over,
Right.
which is crazy, man,
Yeah.
when you come to think about that. So, in doing that hour, it gives you an equation where you can break it down of how to use that hour. They call it the 20-20-20 formula, which David Vincent, man, my old sales manager, he works next door here, he talked to me and JoJo about this. It was one of the things that we were required to do when I was a young salesperson. It's crazy how things come back at you. But doing this magic hour, you spend the first 20 minutes doing exercise, which science proves that gets like cortisol and different things going and get your
Yeah.
body ready for the day. And then you can spend 20 minutes reflecting. Gratitude, man. Like you can meditate, you can plan, you can journal. And then the last 20 minutes on figuring out how you're going to grow, kind of planning your day.
Yeah. How are you gonna
And
attack the day?
absolutely, man. And I tell you, um, I am in the middle, like it's a whole 22 destruction phase, man, where you got to get up and I tell you, I'm right in the middle of this, and man, my life just feels crazy right now, messy, man. But hopefully, hopefully you see the benefits because
Start the
it's one thing
transition.
to tackle these books, man, but you really want to at some point try to apply this,
Yeah.
right? So
Definitely.
yeah, man. I'm glad that you asked about this, man. This book right here, I'm telling you, and the ending, entrepreneur, artist, and a billionaire, man, and the ending is fantastic. So please, man, and high school level, guys. My daughter's an AP. Uh, Super proud of you, Emily Jackson. Full scholarship to Alabama University, but um, it talks about one of the main lines, man, and then I'm gonna move on. You could you sweat more in practice and you bleed less in war. Just think about
Yeah.
how profound a statement that is. So if that tells you, man, of how you need to approach your day or just approach things in your life or basketball practice or cheerleading practice or whatever it is that you're in, man, the more work you put in practice, the easier it's going to be when it's time for you to
Absolutely.
perform. So I tell you what, man, I'll pass this along to you
Sweet.
and you can read this. We're
Yeah.
on to the next book now, though, which is Atomic Habits. And this is about breaking old habits and building new ones. Just kind of a next bounce. General Manager Darren Jenkins is committed to making sure that we grow intellectually and all around. So that's the next one we started, man. So we're a couple chapters into that one, and again, that's another banger too. We'll talk about that as we get down the as we get down the line more. How's that feel, man? I'm gonna miss you, bro.
It's gonna, it's a good thing though.
It's a
I'm
great
I'm
thing,
super
man.
excited
It's a
about
great
it.
thing. I just said, Emily, it's
Yeah.
crazy here. You're having your baby girl, and I'm getting ready to
Yeah.
send
Send
mine to
one off.
college, bro. That
Yeah.
was my first one, man. So it was amazing, bro.
Yeah.
It's been a journey, man. And hey, man, I wish you well, man. You
Oh
know I'm
man.
gonna be here for you
Oh,
every step of the
absolutely.
way, man. You know what I mean? So, and
Yeah.
congrats to your wife too, Mrs. Buzz. We know you're a superstar out there, and you got
Yeah.
one heck of a husband here. Trust
Sweetie.
me. So next week we're gonna get into our buying center. We got a guy here named Tyler Doman. Fantastic. Yeah. Listen, I try to tell everybody about our show here that it's just not about cars. We don't want to make this whole thing about cars.
Yeah.
We got a whole lot going around here. Let me tell you something. Look at
Woo.
it. Tyler, I've been known to,
Yeah.
slice a few
Yeah.
things with this baby here. But listen, guys, next week we got Tyler Doman. Not only are we going to talk about our buying center, which you can bring your vehicle down here and in most cases get a check and cash the same day, we're also going to let him adjust your swing while he's here. He is a fantastic. He
Yeah.
beats this dude up.
Oh
He's a
yeah.
fantastic golfer. So we're gonna have him
Every Sunday.
also talk about some different things as it starts to get sunny and everybody's grabbing their bags and going out to the driving range, just trying to bomb the ball with the driver. We're gonna have him give you some good golfing habits next week on Live Talk. Again, this is Troy, my man Tyler, and when we see him around, we appreciate your time. We'll see you next week on Live Talk.